Gesture drawing is a scam if you're not using it the right way. Now, the whole point of gesture drawing is to focus on movement and not details. Think in terms of storytelling and use the body as rhythm. Draw with intuition and confidence. Gesture provides the skeleton of movement for later refinement. It's that last part that's key here. You want to start off and simplify the pose. Break the body down into simple shapes or gestures. C curve is a smooth, continuous curve in the shape of a C. An S curve is a flowing, serpentine motion. And then you want to use straight lines as well to indicate tension and stability. These are the main gestures you'll be using at first to get the initial pose. Make sure you find the line of action and capture weight and balance. Don't worry about mistakes. This is your brainstorm section. You just want to make sure you get everything pretty close and accurate to the original pose. This is the fundamentals of gesture drawing, but you have to take it a step further if you want to actually improve and make your overall art better. So now we're on to the next phase, and this is important because usually when people do gesture drawing, they completely forget about those studies and they don't implement them into their art. So the next phase is to implement that into your actual art. So open up a blank canvas and do a couple gesture drawings. Find a pose you really like. From there, you're going to take that rough gesture drawing and then you're going to slowly start building up the shapes, the anatomy, and the muscles. Now this is really important that you don't skip this step. You're going to have to do this over and over and over again. I would recommend doing at least 100 or 200. Once you do that, you're going to be so comfortable with doing this that it's just going to be like second nature to you. If you don't do this, you're wasting your time doing gesture drawings because you're not implementing anything that you're learning into your actual painting. So you have to do this. It is extremely important. Otherwise, gesture drawing is a scam.